Why you are wasting your time and earning a small penny while working 10 to 12 hours in office? Hello guys, my name is Vivek. I am having a 6-year experience of trading. You want to earn like a pro, you have to think like a pro. Watch this video and you will know how traders are making money. Let's get started. Okay, we are on 5 minutes time frame. Let me reveal an important trading secret using this trend as an example. I will now show you how to identify pullbacks within its movements. We only need one indicator, the oscillator. It is already on the screen and required no adjustment. Now let's break down what is known as divergence. First, a brief example of the oscillator. This indicator measures the rate of price change. The faster the price rises, the higher it bars. When momentum slows, it declines slightly, gravitating towards its center line. We can connect the indicator peak points to form trade lines. If this line slopes in the opposite direction of the price chart, it is called divergence. This scenario serves as an early warning signal, hitting at the potential reversal or minor price correction. As you can see here, the asset dipped slightly after divergence. We could have identified this in the time and open a short position, profiting within the upward trend. Divergence occurs frequently on charts. All you need is to monitor the oscillator and track the slope of the highs and lows. Crucially, the price direction must diverge from the oscillator. Here, for instance, there is no divergence. Let's examine another valid example. Here we can see a clear upward. The price slope is upward, confirming a bullish trend movement. At the same time, I can spot divergence that would provide us with a perfect entry point by connecting recent indicators' height. We see trading downwards over the span while price action rises. Identify this is advanced would clearly signal an impending price decline. We essentially predict another counter trend reversal. This demonstrates the power of trading divergence. Now I will locate another example. This time it's downward trend. Here we observe downward movement with accompanying divergence. The new bars formed a slightly higher low, predicting a gradual slowdowns and chart reversal. We can identify larger scale divergence here where the price begins recovering. As before, we conclude divergence provide early warning signal indicating potential reversal points. Time to transition to live trading. But first, let's recap. Divergence represents discrepancy between price and the indicator when a set declines while the oscillator shows up momentum, except bullish reversal. Conversely, when the price rises without corresponding new heights in the oscillator, anticipate bearish reversal. This knowledge alone equipped for the trading. I will now switch charts and execute several trades. Let's proceed. Alright, I'm entering a long position here. Let's analyze this immediately. We are seeing a clear downtrend, yet the oscillator had just displayed divergence. This straight line connecting the oscillator lows signals upward momentum that really indeed initiated at this point, with the asset now showing strong upward movements. Notably, we are observing consecutive higher heights, confirming the new bullish trend. We will now await expiration. Let me reinforce the core concept. When price momentum declared except either consolidation or reversal, the oscillator's failure to establish new extreme precisely reflect this slowing momentum. First, position closely profitably. We will pause briefly before continue. For context, I have selected the oscillator today purely by preferred any oscillator, RSI, stochastic, MACD would serve quality well. All of them form high and lows that may diverge from price action, providing us with quality entry signals. Entering the market again, let's switch the more popular 1-minute time frame now. The same movements occur here, just a smaller scale. We identify individual correction as independent trend and spot oscillator divergence. However, I recommended applying this strategy on at least 5 minutes charts or higher time frames. This approach proves more reliable for securing profits since lower time frame frequently produce false divergence signals. Yes, this happens sometimes. I frequently discuss multi-time frame analysis in my Telegram channel, where I post free trades to my students. You can join right now via link in the description. Enter to read my trading insight or copy published signals. Just close another profitable trade. Now preparing to enter again in the same chart. Why not execute multiple profitable trades within a slightly divergent setup? This trading technique exists precisely for this purpose. We wait for price oscillator divergence, then take position in the position direction. This approach enables executive 1, 2, 3 or even consecutive profitable trade when identify divergence permanently, as we were currently demonstrating. I trust you will find this charting technique valuable for incorporating into your regular trading routine, particularly in oscillator-based strategies. That said, I don't recommend trading exclusive on divergence. While useful, they will limit it merely detecting momentum declaration. Always complement them with fundamental techniques, analysis, support, resistance level, trend structures, and local price zones. Successful trading requires synthesizing multiple analytical components. Today you will acquire one of the most unpredictable tools among noises, yet highly flavored by professional traders. Position close profitably again. Market the conclusion of today's trading session. Let's proceed. This technique helps you to get the result in accuracy. You can use this technique every time if you want profit. As mentioned, my Telegram channels offer you such techniques, such links, and most important, I will share you my all strategies, all my experience in one channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Your feedbacks are more important, and if you want such videos more, comment below. That's all for today. See you in the next video.